product ay yung mga products na magagamit mo siya continuous, sustainable, and hindi siya nagko-cause ng harm sa environment at the use and disposal of the products. Magandang araw, ako po si Pearl, Joan Pearl Tadeo, made by Pearl, known as Pearl po. Nung una kasi, for the love of passion lang talaga, for the sewing machine. So, nag-start ako kasi nagtatrabaho ako, tapos nakakuha ako ng back pay. From that back pay, bumili ako ng makina. And then, nahirapan akong bumili ng makina and then the parts. So, ang gusto ko talaga is yung nananahilang talaga. So, naisip ko na mag-import ng mga sewing materials na, na hindi nabibili dito sa Pilipinas. So, eventually, nag-grow na siya and then napunta siya sa sewing products. So, with that, naging na siya, continuous na. So, evolution and innovation. So, dahil my mom is a single mom, so nagtook muna ako ng vocational course sa Lorraine. So, cosmetology, more on kulot-kulot kasi yun yung uso nun, parlor. Tapos, nung nakagraduate na ako, I used that as a stepping stone para kumita ng pera. Nagtook naman ako ng information technology. Pero my passion and heart is not there. Kasi nga, yung mom ko, single mom, naglalako kami ng mga pagkain sa offices. So, nagluluto kami, nagpapack ng mga lunch. So, ang gusto ko talaga nun is HRM. So, nagtook ako ng HRM, graduated as HRM po ngayon. Kaya lang, nung natapos naman ako, nakita ko yung struggle talaga ng paghahanap ng trabaho. Actually, yung first job ko dito sa Robinson Star Mill eh. So, after that, nagdarabaho din ako, nag-ano rin ako ng OJT din ako sa hotel. Sobrang pagod mo na napapanaginipan mo na kung saan nilalagay yung mga utensils. And then yung wage mo and yung salary mo, it's not enough for the daily expense mo. So yun, nung nagpahinga muna ako, yun nga, ginamit ko yung back pay ko from sa job. Then pinurso ko muna yung pagtatahi sa bahay, mga kortina, mga bedsheet. And then sir, yun, nag-evolve na siya into business. It's a zero waste and sustainable lifestyle talaga. From home, nagsimula siya talaga sa bahay and then in-apply namin siya and then yun. Ang pinaka talagang rewarding talaga is you're not parang adding or summing up sa impact and footprint ng mga nangyayari sa Kasi today's talaga is yung global warming natin and so might as well think about the environment in your own little ways. Hindi lang siya trending hindi lang siya yung sa iba naging lifestyle na siya. So kami 2014 meron na talaga kaming business na eco-friendly pero nag-boom lang talaga siya way back 2018 talagang nag-shoot out yung wherein the consumers talaga yung nag-dictate sa market and sa manufacturers na we don't like this anymore. We want change. We want to kumbaga proactive sila, pro-earth. Actually sila talaga sir yung nag-push sa mga manufacturer na let's make a change. So ngayon, iba na talaga yung trend, sir. Meron na mga pop-up na zero waste store, there's a refilling with the big companies. It's not just the micro. So baga hindi lang siya trend. Talagang yung consumer, yung mga talagang mamimili, sila yung nag-dictate sa market talaga and sa manufacturer. So napakaganda po ng naging effect nun. Kaya lang dahil nga dumating yung pandemic, so naiba lang yung force, pero yung mga warriors talaga, they stay intact sa advocacy nila and sa belief nila to save the environment. Yes, kasi sir, prior to pandemic talaga, yung mga tao, even yung mga hindi talaga eco-friendly or nagpa-practice, na sila sa trend kumbaga nadala sila sa trend and then they discover na kaya pala and then they can switch. Pero dahil sa pandemic, everyone, wala tayong choice kundi lahat tayo na-confine sa bahay and then yung carbon footprint natin sa mga ino-order natin dahil lahat tayo nasa bahay. So, nag-boom yung online shopping, nag-boom yung So, yung iba doon, wala silang choice kundi i-package talaga yung So, kung tagal nun sir, diba? Ilang years yun, parang magto 2 years na tayong continuous pa rin yung natin, yung pag-order online. And yung mga packaging na dinadala nila for every career. Minsan, napakaliit lang na bagay na in-order mo, sangkatutak na bubble wrap yung nakarap doon. So imagine saan napunta o saan mapupunta yung mga yon. So yung iba, wala silang choice kundi dahil nga hindi makalabas, hindi order pa rin sila sa online. So yung iba na sanang nahihikayat na, nakalimutan na nila yung advocacy and yung principles ng mga nila, yung eco-friendly lifestyle nila. Una, hindi lang siya kumbaga hindi lang siya nagsimula as a business. Kasi ang sabi ko nga, yung business ko is talagang sa makina lang. And then, nag-evolve na lang siya through yung first customers ko, yung mga relative and friends. For personal reason, ginamit ko siya for personal talaga, for the refractive talaga, health. And then, nag-evolve na siya kasi nga, yung ating technology nag-evolve na rin. So, sa bahay talaga siya nasimulan. So, from this lifestyle, yung mga reusable, nagpunta na rin kami, sir, sa sustainable gardening. So, meron din kami nun. Nagtuturo meron kami actually na mga tutorial sa internet and kung paano yung mga nabubulok, and then yung mga, like for example, yung eggshells, paano mo siya papowderin, turn into calcium para sa plants or pagkain ng ibon. So, hindi siya mapupunta sa basura. Might as well yung mga yung mga dahon. So imagine niyo, meron na kayong sustainable garden na nakakakuha kayo ng harvest every day. So doon pa lang na namin na nasa bahay talaga yung pagsisimula and nasa family. Doon mo siya talaga, kumbaga, spread the awareness within your home, and then talagang doon mo mapapatunayan na ito ginagawa namin and it's effective and kaya naman. Kumbaga, we are in the business, pero we are not just marketing the products. We are spreading awareness na itong mga product na to is you can buy it everywhere na meron na. So pero without the proper knowledge and proper education sa gagamit, hindi nila i-continuous yan. You need to educate them paano gamitin to, paano siya i-dispose pagka naano niya na yung 10 niya na yung years na So kailangan mo silang, kumbaga, i-educate kung paano gamitin yung product na to, kung bakit ito eco-friendly, kung bakit ito sustainable, ano yung composition niya. So, mas maganda, sir, na not just sell the product, but tell the story and then spread the awareness. During the pandemic, maraming nawalan ng trabaho, hindi nakalabas. Yung ibang customer namin, they are thankful na meron silang stash ng mga eco-friendly namin kasi they don't need to buy. Yung pambibili nila, ginamit na nila for the food. May mga nawalan ng trabaho. Kasi yung mga customer namin, all walks of life So, imagine, yung bibili nila na diaper, mas nagamit nila yung pera sa mas ibang importanteng bagay like necessity food, medicine, and I think yung mga consumer ngayon, open na yung mind nila, not just to saving Mother Earth, but being wise in how you spend your money. Kasi nga, during the pandemic talaga. Actually, I'm proud to say po na Made by Pearl po is born here in San Fernando, Pampanga po. So dito pa lang po under the wings of City Tourism Advocate, Miss Ching Pangilinan, siya po talaga yung kasama namin sa mga advocacy na ganito. We have advocacy for the empowerment for women. We have cloth diaper, breastfeeding advocacy, and yun nga po yung sa eco-friendly and the use of natural products po. So under her, marami kaming mga kumbaga nagagawa ng seminar, and prior pandemic, sir, marami kaming events open for public and for moms, empowering them and educating them, spreading awareness with the breastfeeding, with the advocacy, kasi connect siya, sir. Kasi we have the cloth diapers and we also have breastfeeding pads for the moms, and yun po, puro halos yung product namin umiikot sa mga kababaihan. Actually, they are expensive kasi yung prime materials na quality-wise, we can sell it for the low price, for the mass produce. Pero hindi namin isa-sacrifice yung quality, yung tagline namin na magagamit nyo siya throughout the years, 5 to 8 years, kasi sir, tinatagal ng product Yun yung diaper, pwede mo pa siyang ipasa sa next child mo, or pwede mo siyang ibenta. Kumbaga, it's an investment. And mababawi mo yun mababawi mo siya throughout the years na hindi ka nabibili ng ng disposable, and eventually see yung accumulation ng basura na imagine mo hindi mo to ginamit kasi yung cycle ng babae and yung diapering ng bata, napakatagal na pa daw, ilang years kang hindi makakapag-contribute ng basura sa community mo and sa Mother Earth. Yun pa lang sir, reward na yun. Meron kaming mga mas 50 pesos hanggang 500. Dahil we are into services, medyo tumataas lang siya pag customize siya or pag personalize or they want something special for that product. Ganun lang po siya Pero dahil it's because it's handmade and it's not mass-produced and it's made talagang with love and care, and hindi namin sinasacrifice yung quality and yung material just to sell the products. Kaya sir, hanggang ngayon, we are in the line and we are afloat kahit na nagka-pandemic. Hindi kami kumbaga hindi kami natinag. Nandito pa rin yung negosyo namin kasi we are not just selling the product. We are selling passion, love, and quality products. Since it's born online, so mas nauna kami online sir. So visible kami sa lahat ng mga platform. So they can order there, they can PM us or message us. Then nag-ship naman kami nationwide and national sa overseas. Actually sir, with the help of DTI, non-stop po yung innovation namin ever since. And yun nga po, prior to pandemic, with the help of DTI and DOST, SB Corp, nakaset up na lahat sir. Kumbaga na-project na namin na we are getting loans and machineries upgraded. Kasi we are not just eco-friendly, we're greening the business too. So, nasa greening the business na kami, nag-upgrade na kami ng machineries na power saving, na kami ng mga eco machines na talagang sufficient and matibay na talaga sila. Kumbaga, from prior to pandemic talaga sir, naka-set up na and everything naka-plan siya na, kaya lang the pandemic hit us. So, we need to set aside. We're not stepping back, but setting it aside. And kumbaga, pag kaya na, we will move forward and expand. And our plan is to give back to community, hire and empowered women and moms at home or yung malapit sa vicinity namin na they can work with us or we will employ them in their flexible time na makakapasok sila. Kumbaga, our business kasi it's not just about advocacy and passion. We want to give back to community. And yun yung nakikita namin. Sa mga aspiring or sa mga nagbabalak magnegosyo, kung ang iisipin nyo is kumita ng pera, stop there and go back to your drawing board and think about it. Kailangan hindi lang puro kita. Put your heart on it and passion. Kasi kung puro kita, mapapagod kayo. Pero if you have the passion and you have the heart sa business mo, kahit na anong sakuna or mga you will be resilient and you will talagang isi-save mo yung negosyo mo kasi you put your heart on it. We would like to invite you po. Nandun din po kami sa SM City, Pampanga for Startup Market. Pero pag wala na po kami doon, you can always catch up or PM us online sa lahat po ng platform. Lagi po kaming online sa Facebook, Instagram, sa lahat po ng shopping platform po. Yan. And you can also check our YouTube channels po. Meron kami mga tutorials doon ng mga sustainable wardrobes. And then yung aming garden channel.